warning for southeastern Spokane County and northeastern Washington until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, strong thunderstorm with outflow winds was near Rosalia and Lake Tom. The storms were moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Highway 195 from Rosalia to Spangle, State Road 27 from Laytown to Rockford. Locations impacted include Fairfield, Rockford, Spangle, Laytown, Waverly, and Plaza. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Spokane, Washington.
Okay. Uh-oh. Another one? You've got to be kidding me. 2 dust storm warnings.
Pacific Daylight Time.
Jesus Christ.
Spokane has issued a dust storm warning for North Central Adams County, Central Douglas County, and North Central Washington.
This is
Southwestern
absolutely
Lincoln County,
ridiculous.
Central Grant County, and North Central Washington until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a dust storm was near Moses Lake North, or 8 miles northeast of Moses Lake, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, public. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 90 between Riffville and George. State Route 17 from Moses Lake to Ephrata and State Route 28 from Quincy to Odessa. Locations impacted include Moses Lake, Ephrata, Quincy, Worden, Ritzville, Moses Lake North, Lakeview, Cascade Valley, Soap Lake, Odessa, George, Wilson Creek, Crop, Adam, Irby, Ruff, Floyd, Limona, McDonald, and Sealer. Dust storms led to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Washington, Adams, Douglas, Grant, and Lincoln.
Wait.
The following is a summary of watch